This video may be helpful for some people. This is a 1989 YZ490 rear wheel with drum brake. Let me flip this over so you can see. There's the drum brake side. The way to take these wheel bearings out is they each come out from the side that they're on. So each side has two bearings that go inside there. So to take them out, you need to first start with a punch, and you need to catch the inside lip of the bearings past the spacer. Here's the spacer, the bearing spacer. Okay, so you need to catch the inside lip past the spacer. And you need to just punch, 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 move it around so that you're putting even pressure, and then the two bearings will pop out. It's two bearings per side, and the seal only goes on this side here. The seal only goes on the sprocket side. You'll notice there's no sprocket. I'm replacing that as well. So the seal goes on the sprocket side. There is no seal on the drum brake side. So 4 bearings total and 1 seal to replace this. Obviously, to put them back, you do 1 bearing and the other, and then the seal, and then on the flip side, you're only going to do 1 bearing then the other. Thanks for watching.